How to upgrade Spotify Premium in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can upgrade the Spotify Premium in iPhone, so make sure to stick with me till the end. Now if you want to upgrade to Spotify Premium in iPhone, the easier way I would always recommend you is that you open your browser and go to spotify.com, then log into the account where you want to get the premium, because from the app you will not be able to subscribe to premium. So once you're here from your browser and then you log in, tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then from the top right hand side gear icon, just go to the premium option that you can find here. Then when you go to premium, here you will see all of this premium control section. Here you can see it says get premium, individual, and so on. So you can choose a plan depending upon which one you like. I will just select a random one here, so just tap on the get premium option, and once you've done that, all you have to do here is just simply enter your addresses and make sure to select a payment method which will give you credit, debit card, or PayPal account. So depending on what you want to do, make sure that the payment details are correct, and once you've done that, once your payment method has been verified, you will be able to get Spotify Premium. So this way you will be able to maybe upgrade to Spotify Premium in iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.